And now for today's feature presentation. We all know that transit is awesome. My love for it blossoming like Pokemon. Encountered and got 'em. I catch all the good stuff. Trains on the bus. No need to fuss cause my journey's not tough. Just like Boat, you'll see where I'm scheduled to strike. When you're done afterwards, please sub and like. Whether it's common or rare, film what's on there, then I will share. Heritage units or filming my riderships, I go the distance and with great consistency. I'm like a king, I'm supreme on the scene, my machine recording. It's about time that I show you where I've been. Adventure time with the Transit Prodigy. My action is finished, but never diminished. Time to replenish, make sure there's no blemish. Whether charter or public, my catches were sick and I enjoyed my visit. If you like what you saw, come and subscribe. Come join the tribe as long you have good vibe. Mark 1 for the team, that pun made me beam. As you subscribe, you'll see me live my dreams. Whether alone or I'm chilling with friends, I recommend having fun till the end. Thank you for watching this. Time spent stupendous. This is tremendous. However, this my terminus.